Hello guys, this is Joanna and welcome back here sa aming channel. And if you're interested about cabin crew vlogs, couple vlogs, lifestyle, and makeup, please don't forget to subscribe po sa aming channel. And let's be a family here. For today's video, may mga request po akong natatanggap sa aking TikTok since I recently joined there. And they wanted me to create a cabin crew makeup. So, ito po yung ginawa ko nung mga nag-apply po ako before, nung aspirant pa lang po ako. And I hope na may matutunan kayo dito sa aking simple makeup tutorial. Let's get started. So I already put my moisturizer as well as sunscreen, and I like to put BB cream on my face instead, so I'll just put this all over my face. So next I'll be putting concealer under my eye, and I'm using Fit Me from Maybelline. So I'm just using my ring finger to blend everything. So if you have some pimple marks, you can as well cover this using concealer. So next I'm using this BYS loose powder. I'm just gonna blend everything on my face. Since I have very oily skin, I needed this so my makeup will last the whole day. Proceed to our eyebrow. I am using this Browsings from Benefits. So don't overdo your eyebrow too much, just follow your natural brows. The more it looks natural, the more it looks good. So I like to use this tinted brow gel just to make my eyebrow a little bit bushy and thick. Let's proceed to our eyeshadow. I'm using this palette from Tarte in Bloom. Gently put the eyeshadow on your crease area. Next, use a little bit darker of the first shades you used earlier and just blend it at the outer line of your crease. Get a fluffy brush and just blend everything smoothly. So you can use any soft brown color just to blend on your under eye area. I'm not so fun with eyeliner, so I'm just gonna use a darker shades to use as my eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of wing. You may skip these steps if you don't like having eyeliner on your eye. Next, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And then put some mascara on your eyelashes. I'm using Total Temptation from Maybelline. So I like to use old mascara for my under eyelashes. It works better for me to blend everything there. Let's proceed to our contour, and I'm using this contour stick from Careline. Now let's proceed to our blush. I'm using this blush from MAC Cosmetics. And of course, don't forget the highlighter, but don't put too much. The more it looks natural, the better. One of the tricks I did to make my lips bigger is to put highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Now we're almost done, and I have two options if you're going for an interview for a cabin crew. This one I'm using from Ever Belena matte liquid lipstick in the shades of Toast of New York. And by the way, I suggest you wear pearl earrings. You can also wear red lipsticks, and this one I'm using is from MAC Cosmetics in the shades of Dance With Me. This is exactly how I did my makeup when I was applying for a cabin crew job. So yun na nga, I hope may mga natutunan po kayo dito sa ginawa ko makeup tutorial. And if you like this video, please give it thumbs up and comment down below po kung may mga gusto po kayong gagawin ko about cabin crew vlogs. Anything? Kung kaya ko pong gawin, I'll do it po. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo pala. And always remember, whatever life takes you, always be kind. Bye!